I did this whole side all the way down to here from way up where you can't see. It's too steep to go up here. I'll go down a little further and cross over and then go up. Showing you what it looks like. So we checked a lot of area. Didn't find anything yet, not even oysters today yet. Alright, when we get over there, we're going to go right about where all those ducks are. We should be able to cross right about there. I'll take the cup. If I can find it, right? I didn't have a real pack. I'm going to go back up there. Any bees' nests? Pretty slippery. Oh, very slippery. It's all clay mud. Clay mud. Very slippery. I can't believe that. Oh, I got a root. I got a possible route to get started on, right? Here. Anyway, let's look for bees. Mixed batch of duckies home. The ones with the brown heads. These guys. Whoa, what kind are these? Whoa. Yeah, they know I'm here. Alright, I'm on that going. Time to jump back over. I want to go through that mess with this one chicken I gotta check. All the way up and around where we go across from there we go. I'll save some space. There, we made it. Isn't that pretty? Alright, back in here. Well, we made it. Through all that. Well, let's see if the golden oysters are here. Across the creek, through the woods, through the stickers, now through a little swamp. See, the water came all the way up here. Alright, save space. Well, there's some here, but we're definitely too late on these. These are way too far gone, golden oysters. Let's get moving. Oh, dang. Our old resinous polypore spot here. This tree fell down. Another tree fell down. All these trees fell down. Probably took him down by that one main tree right here. So some resin is right there. Hopefully they come up again. Whoa, look at these pecker holes, man. Let's get out of here. I don't have much space. I'm going to show these birds that we passed earlier. So don't get that poison ivy on your face. Birds are right across the creek where we passed before. They're still there. They hear me. They're getting ready. Come on, focus. They're getting ready. There's some neat looking ducks. Oh, that's that one that flew in the beginning. Let's see if I can get a little closer. I gotta go up here next. Up, up. like brown-headed mallards, just put it that way. Alright, I gotta go up this hill. Yeah, so we shot those from shot them with a camera, of course, from on the other side there. Let's go up here. Now, before we go up here, here's some coral fungus, if the memory has enough in it. There's some coral fungus. Okay. Let's go. It's a steep path up this hill. I ain't kidding. So this is the first bend going up the hill. There's the creek down there. Then it turns and then goes up this way. Up here. Whoa, look at these. These came up all the hill down here. And whoa. Look at these. I don't think I've ever seen these before. Of course I wouldn't eat them. Look at that. What the heck? This might be my first time seeing these. Let's see if I can get a flash if I have enough space. That's not letting me flash. Anyway, there they are. And then neat. Gills stop right there. It's got a veil collar there. Alright, let's go.